In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add property in Agada. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly list your property in Agada. It is going to be available for other users to find it and book their stay if they wish. So all that you have to do is visit agada.com, and in this page you will be able to select list your place. So if you look at the top of the screen, you will find this button, list your place. Upon clicking this, you will be redirected to this website, agada.com/homes. In here, you will have to sign up for an account before you are able to list something. So I highly recommend that when you are redirected to the Agada Homes website, you go ahead and you create your account. The homepage might look slightly different for you if you don't have an account, but after you are done signing up to use the service, you just have to go over to add a listing. When you click add a listing, you will be able to choose between a single property or multiple properties, or even a hotel if you own one. Now, once you are in this page, you will be able to follow the instructions. Keep in mind that there is a lot to go over, so I highly recommend that you carefully take your time and you go through all of this. All the information is going to be verified and it needs to be correct. For this video, I don't actually have a property that I'm going to register, so I'm just going to pretend like I'm going to go over all of these steps. So you will be able to choose the property type, the size, the maximum number of people who can sleep comfortably, given the total bed space and sofas, the amount of bathrooms, bedrooms, and all the types of beds available in each of these bedrooms. The most important part, of course, is going to be the location. So you have to use the map and the zip code and the country of residence to set up everything. As you can see, they will generate an automated description that might help you if you don't want to spend a lot of time setting this up. But either way, you can just name your property whatever you wish, double check the description, you can add or remove if needed, and then you can proceed. You will be able to then select amenities, the pricing, photos, profile, and then publish the thing. Like I said, because I'm not actually doing this full process with accurate information, I'm just going to stop the guide here. But I believe that if you carefully take your time and you go through all of these options, you will be able to set up your property in Agada. I hope I was able to help you on how to add property in Agada. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.